At betterthanrealgrass.com, we provide professional installation of artificial grass that is suitable for your home or commercial area. Our experienced team will make sure your artificial grass looks great and lasts for years to come. Our team of experts have years of experience in the installation of artificial grass, and can help you transform your outdoor space with a fresh, new look. We use only the highest quality materials to ensure a professional finish and maximum durability. We offer a range of colors, textures, and styles so you can get the exact look you want for your outdoor space. Whether you're looking for a classic green or something more modern and unique, we have something to suit all tastes. Our services are fast and affordable, so you can save time and money on your artificial grass installation. We guarantee satisfaction with our workmanship. Contact us and get a free quote.